Welcome back to part 3 of this tutorial. We will receive inventory against each of the items, so these products can be made available on B2B as well as B2C commerce portals. Log in with your credentials. Let's first review the catalog items. Under Manage Inventory, select Inventory. You can either receive inventory or transfer. Select Receive. In the search by item name or item code, enter the item name or code. Let's enter 1001 and hit Search. The selected item will be filled. Enter quantity and hit Add. Once confirmed, hit Receive. Let's receive the second part number 2. Select Receive and enter 1002. Enter quantity of 100 and hit Add. Once confirmed, hit Receive again. This completes part 3 of this tutorial. Now that you have enough inventory available, you can raise an order for one of your customers. Before that, for B2B commerce you will need to register your customers, which we will do that in the next step. We will see you in the next tutorial. Visit Orderjini.com to learn more about inventory management.